स्वागत तो करो हमारा।
नहीं।
Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video, guys. So I am back after a very long time and I promise that I will be uploading regularly from now on, as my exams were going on and now they are finished. And so let's begin our video. So to start the activity, we obviously need some materials, right? So the materials required for this activity are some water, which I have got right here, a glass tumbler, a candle, and to light the candle, matchstick. Okay, so without wasting any time further, let's begin.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
So to start this activity, what I have to do is I have taken this water bottle, poured some water in this tray already. Now what I have to do is I have to take this candle, place it right there. Okay, then I will light that candle up like this. Okay, now I will take the glass tumbler and then when I will place this right above the candle, we all know that the candle's flame is gonna go down, but you can see that the water level in that glass tumbler is rising. Isn't that amazing? That is really amazing, right? So if you are watching the video till now, please hit that subscribe button and smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. So thank you and goodbye.